Hi everyone, Tom Moffett here. Welcome to BUS 115 Personal Finance. During the next 16 weeks, we're going to be talking about some fundamental concepts and components of managing your personal finances. For example, we'll be talking about creating a personal balance sheet and a cash flow statement. We'll cover budgeting and taxes, credit, insurance, investing, and some areas of estate planning. You'll complete a personal finance plan, which will help you put these topics into practice. When you log in, the first thing you're going to see is the home page, which you see here. I encourage you to take some time to explore each of the menu items in the left navigation column over here, especially if this is your first online class. This is the navigation menu on the left. You'll pay special attention to announcements, modules, and discussions. I make lots of announcements, so please check the announcements on a regular basis, at least 3 to 4 times each week. Let's take a look at the modules page for just a minute. On this, at the very top, is the course schedule. And then when you open the course schedule, you'll see the assignments for the course, and they're separated by modules. There's 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Each of the modules has the assignment, the due date for that assignment, and the points that are associated with each of those assignments. For example, in Module 1, we begin with an introduction discussion. The initial post is due on August 24th, and then replies are due on August 27th. At least 2 replies to classmates are required for each discussion assignment. The next 2 assignments you'll see are Connect assignments. This course is part of the Auto Access program at OTC, and you can have access to the digital content for the course through Canvas on the very first day of class automatically. Now when you log in, if you've not used Connect before, when you log into the modules and click on the Connect assignment, then you may be asked to set up an account. If you do, please use your OTC email address to set up that account. But this is typically what a course calendar looks like. Here's Module 2, and as you can see, it's structured essentially the same way. Now, Module 2 includes Step 1 here of the personal financial plan. There's a complete description of each step of the financial plan further down in the Modules page. So let's go back to Modules, Personal Financial Plan. Then here's a description of each of those steps. Also on the modules page is an area about proctoring. Here, we require at least 1 proctored event for each course, and our proctored event is the 11.3 Chapter 11 proctored event. If you're not familiar with the proctoring requirements, you can log in here where it says proctoring requirements and review those. You'll have a week to complete the proctored quiz, so you have plenty of time to do that, but don't wait till the last minute. You can take it remotely or you can take it in one of the testing centers. If you're going to take it in a testing center, please schedule the tests. Each of the testing centers might have different hours. So let's go back to modules. If you look further down here, let's look at Module 1, for example. There's additional materials. There are videos that you can review. Those are there just to for additional instruction, additional information about each of the chapters. You just click on the link, and then that information will be available to you. I should also say that the narrated PowerPoint, this link right here, I think you'll find that especially helpful when you are completing each part of your financial plan. Okay, let's look at the grades button. When you click on grades, the navigation button, it will show you each of the assignments, the due date, and the points that are available. Once those assignments are completed and submitted, they'll be graded, and you'll see the points that have been applied, and you'll be able to review any feedback that I've made about that assignment. You just click on the link that's available next to the assignment, and you'll be able to see the feedback. You'll get feedback on all your work that you submit, except for the Connect assignments, of course. Those are automatically graded. There's 2 exams for the semester. One is a midterm exam, and then at the end of the semester, we'll have a comprehensive final. These are not proctored events, so you can just take those online. Go back to the home page. Online office hours are available using this link down towards the bottom, Team BUS 115 online office hours. That allows us to talk to each other in real time. We can review any assignments, answer any questions about the assignments, or really anything else that you might want to know about the course. Online office hours are by request. Just let me know when you want to meet, and we'll arrange a time when we can get together using that Teams link. Well, that's enough to get us started. Please post any questions about the course to the Student Commons forum. Go back to discussions. At the very top is a link for Student Commons. Click reply, enter your question, and then click post. I'll see your question, and then I'll be able to respond to it. Your classmates will also be able to see any questions you might post. They may know the answer to your question. They might be able to respond to you more quickly than what I can. If you have questions of a personal nature, such as grades, please contact me via OTC email. That's moffittc@otc.edu. Please use your OTC email address for any contact or getting an email message that you might want to send to me. The filters are set up so that OTC email is often the only message that gets through. Well, I look forward to meeting all of you, and I will see you online.